It is June 13th, 2024, guys, and we've got not one, but a double mail call today. Let's do it. All right, so I was on my phone and I got a notification that I got a delivery. So I had forgotten, not that I had ordered stuff, but I forgot that it was even coming. So I guess technically in a way I did kind of forget that I was ordering stuff. This is coming in from New York. And these typically are just used parts or figures or, yeah, stuff like that. So we're just going to get right into it. It looks like I may have gotten a clicky and a ton of packaging. I love this packaging. It's so weird. So that's done. Let's go ahead and check out the first item here. Oh, yes. Okay, so I know nothing about this alien, and it's the reason why I picked it up is because it's, well, it's a different alien. And I love the aliens. As you can see, I've got a couple of semi-customed ones here. The helmets that they are wearing were not of this kind right here. So I had to improvise a little bit and painted them. And so I'm glad to finally have one with an accurate helmet with the actual design that it was made to have. I had the original Alien when it originally came out back in the mid 2000s, maybe early 2000s. And like a dummy, I sold that figure along with a lot more of my other Playmobil to my boss at the time when I was teaching at a daycare. And so it's been taking a lot of time for me to replenish my collection. I didn't have a whole lot of aliens to begin with, but I've got more now than I did, but still. I just noticed this, guys. We've got a new alien with a different eye color than the others. That's pretty nifty. All right, clicky number 2. Oh, yes. Now I know this isn't accurate. I do remember this figure quite well. I'd seen it on the shelves at a Playmobil store in Williamsburg, Virginia so many times and thought, okay, well, I'm gonna get it one day. You know, it's just not something I gotta have right away. I do remember her having black hair and possibly a different decoration on her head or maybe around her neck. I'm not sure anymore, but I like this version. I might still give her the correct hair, but yeah, it was green, and I thought it'd be a nice collection on my shelf. Well, I said that wrong, didn't I? I thought it would be a nice addition to the collection on my shelf, and this is what I'm talking about. Right here, you got a few clickies in hoop skirts here, and I've got more than this. I just was trying to do this color coordinating wise. So I might replace this one with this one here. I also got this quiver with some arrows in it. So yeah, those are nice. I'm glad to have them. Okay, so now we are down to package number 2. This came from Malta, the island of Malta in Greece. And it says toy parts. So I have no idea what I am getting in here. I mean, I could have easily looked it up, but I didn't because it kind of keeps it very exciting. And there's no... There we go. I remember this. Check this out, guys. Here. Okay, so they, from one of the series sets, one of the earlier ones, I think, well, I'm pretty sure, They came out with this guy, this clicky here, this fire guy, and he comes with, well, he's got this harness, and on the back of the harness are these clips, and on the clips you're supposed to have a hook, and on the hook you're supposed to have flames, so the flames look like wings. But I had seen one of these clickies all by himself, and he was about $5 plus shipping, and I was willing to pay that much, and the shipping was only $3. But I was just like, well, the Klicky doesn't come complete, right? I mean, he's got his hair and everything. So this is how he looks, right? Without the flame wings and everything. So imagine paying about $8 for this guy when I could have gotten 3 of them for $6. That would, to me, was a better deal. I don't know what I'm gonna do with 3 of these, but I mean, you never know. I'm pretty creative and resourceful, so I might be able to figure out something. But I would like to get at least one of them completed. Now, these figures are pretty beat up. I don't know why, but yeah, if you let me see if I can zoom in on the paint here. You can see they're kind of scuffed up a little on the flame there. This one more so than, well, the one on the right more than the left. I can't point to them because I'm so close up here. And then this one here is in worse shape. Yeah, you can see that right there. And as I've been doing a little more customization of clickies, especially for my Virginia Tech clickies, the Virginia Tech colors are maroon and orange. So I thought maybe I could get, rather than having to paint the arms, I could get some actually dark red arms. Granted, these reds do not match at all, but it's not going to be difficult for me to find an upper torso that'll match these arms. But plus, since I live in Florida now, I could probably make a couple of customized Florida State University figures, since they have maroon in their colors as well. The last item out of this package that I needed were a set of crossbows. I would have preferred the bows, but for whatever reason they don't sell 3 as a bundle, and these were cheaper anyway. So I was happy to get these because I have plenty of characters that could use crossbows instead. Oh, how convenient. And that's it for our mail call today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure did. It's always fun to open these bags up and see what I got and show you guys too. But if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Find us at playmo.af. If you want, you can follow us on Twitter while we still have one at playmoaf. Until then, guys, we've got more on the way, so stay tuned. And we will see you again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.